Hey, what's up guys? So I'm getting ready to show you guys how to do an oil change in an SRT-4. These are some of the tools you'll need right now at the moment to change the oil. Obviously a jack. This is a 1.5 ton low profile jack. And then you want to make sure you always have your jack stand. Very important, never get underneath the car without a jack stand. And obviously for safety, you know, the tire stopper, you know, put it in gear, make sure it's in gear, make sure the e-brake's on, leave the window down in case you need to get in there. Anyway, here we go. One of the other key points too, guys, when you guys do raise the vehicle, you want to make sure you use, actually it's not very clear on this one, but you got a couple points here where you want to make sure you just grab onto this, use that. That's going to be your best point to lift the vehicle up. I don't know if you guys can see it out right there is your best point. All right, again guys, never get underneath the vehicle without a jack stand. One of the most important rules, always use a jack stand. No matter how good your jack is or you think it is, never trust it. And pretty much you're gonna use the same, you know, position where the jack goes to hold it in place around that area. Make sure you have your oil drain pan. This is holds 7 quarts. The oil filter on these SRT-4s is going to be right there. It's a little tight fit. This filter looks like somebody attempted to take it off. I can tell you guys right now it's really tight. But so maybe they didn't even change it last time they changed the oil. Anyway, that's where it's located on the SRT-4s. It's on the passenger side. All right, guys. So looks like 5/8 is what it uses for the oil drain plug. Makes it easier than a socket. But yeah, so open wrench 5/8 is what it's going to use. Cool. So we're going to go ahead and install a Wix XP. It's specifically, you know, for synthetic oils. So this filter is equivalent to a Mobil 1, I would say, and that's what I use on all my other cars. You know, I've heard this one's pretty good too. I've seen good reviews on it. It's obviously so a 51516 XP. Wix makes really good filters. I've never seen any issues with them. Highly recommend them. First time I'm using it on one of my cars. So let's see what happens. And then preferred oil that I use is going to be Mobil 1. This is the Mobil 1 extended, you know, performance. They guarantee it for 15,000 miles. Guys, I wouldn't go that long. I say 5,000 max. Just keep an eye on it every now and then to make sure that you know, you're still getting the proper lubrication and wear and care for your engine as well. So this is what it looks like underneath. As you guys can see, it's still draining a little bit. The last time this car had his oil change has been a while. I mean, at least the last time they changed the oil filter. Anyway, that's it. Also too, guys, you usually want to put a layer of oil on the new filter, you know, O-ring, you know, just so it doesn't stick, you know, when you pull it off next time, and it just, you know, helps it. You want to make sure you clean around the area. You know, guys, you don't have to super tight. You know, you don't have to super tighten it. You don't need to be He-Man. Just you know, make sure it's nice and snug. Maybe you could say one snug turn, and then maybe half after that, and you're good to go. All right, guys, we're all done on the bottom. Pretty much cleaned the surrounding area on the bottom. Ready to add the oil. I mean, it's pretty easy on the neons. You just add it right there. You want to use a funnel. You know, again, we're just going to pour the oil in there. It takes 5 quarts. I think it takes like 5.01 exactly. Right after you add it, best recommendation is you usually check it and gives you a better accurate reading after you start the vehicle. Warm it up for like a minute, but we can check it right now. As you can see, we're at right there. Looks good.